Graphenizer 2 G2. Instant engine heat reducer with powerful lubrication. It forms a layer inside the engine and controls friction and wear and tear. It treats metal-to-metal surfaces with powerful lubrication.
We are using Graphenizer 2 to the racing bike.
Increases engine's power and controls the jerk when the AC is turned on. It protects the engine if the radiator or the coolant leaks. It stops engine oil leakage and extends the engine's life. It reduces engine's heat up to 60% and no more engine oil top-up required. It extends the engine oil's life up to 40,000 kilometers. For radiator, it keeps the head and block cool and the water and cylinder free of rust and choking. And it also increases the life of the rubber hose pipes. It saves engine oil up to 3 times. For an ACs, reduces the compressor noise and increases the cooling effect. In the fuel tank, it forms a layer and prevents the formation of rust inside. Wherever oil used, Graphenizer 2 can be added there as well. Graphenizer 2 can be used in all brand new cars as well. Graphenizer 2 can be used in all types of petrol, diesel and CNG engines, gearbox differential, compressors, transformers, bearings, conveyor belts, automotives, hydraulics, small and heavy machineries.
Graphenizer 2, we put it.
Graphenizer 1 G1 Decarbonizer. Instant pollution remover.
Another one. Put it in injection. Okay, start now.
Graphenizer 1 G1 removes the hard carbon deposits from piston and stops emission pollution with black smoke instantly for both petrol and diesel engines without any machine or opening the engine. It also cleans the injectors, nozzles, valves, pumps and plugs instantly and reduces the knocking sound, noise, vibrations and increases full pickup with smoothness for all types of 2 and 3 wheelers, cars, trucks, buses, JCBs, boats and all other heavy machineries. Thereby, it saves a lot of maintenance cost and time.
Another 1 minute. Let it be free.
Graphenizer 3 G3 removes the bacteria from inside the fuel tank. It separates the fuel molecules. It breaks the chain of hydrocarbon bonds, removes sludge and improves density in the fuel quality.
Graphenizer 3, we put in the fuel.
It makes fuel burn almost completely. It instantly shows increased mileage in digital meters when added to fuel. It increases extra mileage up to 50% on highways.
Okay. Good luck to your racing, okay? Chal, bye.
Graphenizer is formulated in Dubai by PISIQ, a research and development company which is pushing the boundaries of innovation in the fields of artificial intelligence to smart materials. Check the pollution test before and after the treatment. It is trending top #1 in Google. Search as Graphenizer, first of its kind in the world. For dealers and distributors, visit www.graphenizer.com. Call or WhatsApp